In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. Whether you find Copilot distracting, you don't use it, or you just want a cleaner taskbar, I'll walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. Let's start on your Windows 11 desktop. Look down at your taskbar, which is the bar running along the bottom of your screen. On many systems, you'll see the Copilot icon there, usually near the search box or pinned apps. That's the feature we're going to turn off so it no longer appears or pops up by accident. First, we need to open the Settings app. The fastest way is to click on the Start button in the taskbar, then click on the gear-shaped Settings icon. If you don't see it right away, you can also type Settings into the Start menu search and select it from the results. Once Settings is open, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Look for the category called Personalization and click on it. Personalization controls how your desktop and taskbar look and behave. When that section opens, you'll see several options related to themes, colors, and more. From here, we want to focus specifically on the taskbar, so go ahead and click on the taskbar option. Inside the taskbar settings, you'll see various controls that let you show or hide different buttons and features. Take a moment to scroll through this list so you're familiar with what's there. Among these options, look for the one labeled Copilot, or something similar indicating the Copilot button on the taskbar. Once you've located the Copilot setting, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned on, that means Copilot is currently active and the icon is visible on your taskbar. To disable it, simply click that toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do this, the Copilot icon should disappear from the taskbar, and it will no longer open when you click it or use that button. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a second, or click away from the settings window and back to your desktop to confirm. You don't need to restart your computer. The change should take effect immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've now disabled Windows Copilot in Windows 11 using the built-in taskbar settings, giving you a cleaner and less cluttered workspace.